How are you, my dear students? We have just arrived to the last part of our revision. In this part, we are going to talk about simple present and present continuous, and we will make a comparison between them. When do we use each tense? First, I want you to remember that grammar has meaning. Different grammar tenses are used in different situations or contexts, and they carry different meanings. When should we use the simple present? First, to express an action that happens repeatedly, habitual action, and also to express general or permanent situation. The third one is to express facts. What about the present continuous tense? We use it to express an action that's happening at the same time of the speech, or to express a temporary event or a temporary situation. Let's have some examples. Habitual action. Tom goes fishing every week. I usually work until 2 p.m. We use frequency adverbs in expressing the simple present tense. These adverbs are commonly used with simple present like always, never, usually, rarely, sometimes, often, occasionally, seldom, etc. If we want to express general or permanent situation, my family lives far away. Jack doesn't work on Saturdays. Beth and Tony work at ECC. To express facts. The earth is round. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. All those are facts. And the present continuous tense, to express an action happening now or close to time of speaking. Where's Tom? He's playing football. Don't bother the kids. They are doing their homework. And also to express temporary situation, for example, Sarah and her husband are traveling around Europe for 2 weeks. It means that they are traveling now. Peter is living with friends until he finds an apartment. The present continuous, we often use the present continuous and not simple present when action continues over a period of time. This week, this semester, this year. For example, I'm working 50 hours this week. She is taking an Italian class this semester. This year, I'm trying to cut back on junk food. We can consider them temporary events. Simple present, the most important thing to remember about this tense is third person singular, we mean he, she, and it. But We can say I, you, we, they with the first conjugation of the verb without S. Work, I work, you work, we work, they work. But with third person singular, we must add S to the verb. He works, she works, and it works. For present continuous, I want you not to forget that verb be is part of this structure. I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it is, with verb that end with ing. We have something important related to present continuous tense. Some verbs are not typically used in the present continuous tense. Instead, we prefer to use these verbs in the simple present. These verbs are called stative or non-action verbs, like hate, love, like, want, hear, see, need, know, have, understand, believe. Belong, remember, forget. Let's practice. I want you to think of those sentences to put the verb in the correct form. Choose the simple present or present continuous. On Tuesdays, I go to the gym. Karen paint her apartment this week. This room be very large. He have a mobile phone right now. It rain really hard right now. Think of the answer for 30 seconds. And now, let's check your answers. On Tuesdays, I go to the gym. It's present simple tense because it's a habit. Karen is painting her apartment this week, a temporary event or a temporary situation. This room is very large. It's a fact. Number 4. He has a mobile phone right now. I can't use is having because it's a stative verb. Number 5. It's raining really hard right now. Something's happening at the same time of the speech. Finally, I wish you the best of luck. Goodbye.